Hey guys, I'm back with another wig review video. This time is by Sensational. This is their Feather and Flare Adriana. I ordered this wig from samsbeauty.com. I'm going to place all the information down below. But first, I wanted to get into some details about this unit. It does come with combs and not much parting space, as you can see. This unit is a spiral curl. I would say that this unit is about 22 inches long. I got into actually plucking the part this time. Well, I was a little lazy. My sister was over for the day, and so she's helping me out. So I had her pluck in the part for me. And then I decided to add some baby hairs on this unit. I put my sister to work, y'all. And so she did a great job. It turned out beautiful. Thanks, sis. And then I gelled them bad boys down. And I actually wanted to show you guys a few different styles with this unit. Slight part to the side with this look. And the infamous feathered bang to the side. I'm going to place all the information down below in case you guys are interested. It is a pretty cute wig for the price. I definitely would get it again, but it does tangle, you guys, because of the curl pattern. But other than that, it's really cute. And my middle part. Thanks guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video.